Twitter says it will hold an employee AMA, ask me anything, with Elon Musk to address concerns about him joining the company's board. What do you think these questions are going to consist of when the Twitter employees get to ask whatever they want?
Is Trump coming back?
Excuse me?
I think that's the first question that's going to show up there.
First of all, we've spent a lot of time building the culture here at Twitter, and you haven't been a part of that.
Yeah.
You think you can come in here with your billions of dollars, start telling us what to do? That's not really a question.
It's just a bit of a monologue.
It's a rant. It's a rant. That might be something Mo would do. I don't know how pissed people are actually going to be. Look at the photo that Insider chose. It's rude.
That's the one I'm going to pick for the thumbnail, too.
Well, then you're rude, too. And we're all rude for participating. The AMA comes amid concerns from Twitter staff over Musk's appointment. Maybe people don't like the speed of it. They're like, hey, take it easy. This guy, he gets the 9.2. Next thing you know, he's on the board. Next thing I know, I'm fired. Next thing I know, my desk gets moved from the window to the corner, to the basement.
It's taken by Tesla bot.
Yeah. Next thing I know, Tesla bot's Optimus is doing my job better than me.
Took my place.
The bots are moderating comments on Twitter.
So this is a private AMA, right? I guess maybe Twitter's town hall meeting.
You don't think it's going to leak?
I would love to hear about it.
Yeah.
I'm sure everyone would, but yeah.
We say that Twitter is what's happening and what people are talking about right now. Often we at Twitter are what's happening and what people are talking about. That has certainly been the case this week. Whoa, that's a weird way to phrase that. We are what people are talking about this week. He's right, though. When was the last time Twitter itself was in the news as much as this? That's the power of influence. That's the scale. That's what Elon's doing on the internet.
Yes.
He's brings so much attention and value. I don't care what your feeling is on the thing. You can't dispute this. The whole world is saying Twitter, 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 Twitter. No, nothing.
That was good.
No, nothing though.
The sewer level.
Yeah, see, Jack is yelling from back there.
He knows.
What's that? The Mario thing that you were just doing?
You better say Mario. I thought for a second you were gonna try and scramble out of there. I thought why the ear?
Because I thought Jack was saying something.
No, he is. He's drinking a beer. Who knows what he's up to? He's shouting all kinds of stuff down.
Oh, I heard that.
Yeah, see,
I heard
he got
that.
real serious. Yeah, he was. I felt I was in an abusive relationship there. Mario. Yeah, I don't want a copyright strike from Nintendo, but that was my Twitter remix. Twitter.
Mario comes and slaps you.
Twitter. You got any Will Smith updates for us? Twitter. Yeah, what are they going to ask him? I don't know. They're going to ask, hey, what are you going to do? Please don't change everything that we built. Like, we just want to get to know you. What are your plans? How do you see yourself influencing the company and the company culture? How about headquarters? How about working remotely? What are your feelings on all these things? I mean, I know you're sitting there saying, well, it's only 9.2% that the guy bought, but it makes him the single largest shareholder. It's big. It's a big deal.
And he uses the app religiously.
That's what I'm saying. So it does have an influence on the company, and it will have an influence on the company. It's definitely not nothing.
We'll hear about it.
Oh, we're going to hear about it.